Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to add a profile picture on LinkedIn. To do this, you have just to go to the LinkedIn app, open it, and after that, click on the icon on the top right of the screen. And after that, click on your name. And after that, as you can see, there is that empty icon where you should put your picture, and there is a plus icon on it. Just click on that plus and choose if you want to add a profile picture or add a frame. So click add profile photo. And you have two choices, is to take photo with your camera or upload from photos. So for example, I want to upload. It will show me the pictures on my phone. I have to choose any picture. And after that, of course, you can zoom, you can rotate, you can do whatever thing you want with your picture. Click on done in the bottom right of the screen. And in a few seconds, voila, you change your profile picture. I hope that you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video and see